friend just left me. Anyways, we got new rims for the RX7. They look fucking mental. We're at our local Touge. Not really local, but still. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. He probably ditched me. Doesn't matter. Do I have the money for one of those? Fuck no. And yeah, let's hopefully he comes back so my friends don't ditch me. That's alright. So see how they perform on the Touge today. So yeah, it's a nice sunny day in Australia. But yeah, let's get some rollers. Yee! Mental. Do I have the retails on one of those? Fuck no. But yeah, let's hopefully he turns around and my friends don't fucking ditch me. Let's go. So it looks like it's got more grip because they're wider rims, so wider tires as well. But yeah, the Regular Master's actually holding up really well, so it's pretty good. to get my money up. Need to get my money up. Look at this, Australian Outback. Oh, very nice. Fuck, I thought you were gonna run me over, you dog.
I need a piss, to be honest.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, Jingo.
Noise, maybe. I got it open, mate. Might be squeaking too much though. How's the stabilization like from how much it's shaking?
Honestly, shit. I feel like I'm on top gear all of a sudden.
I feel like I've got plenty of grip. I just need to fix the scrubbing before I push more. Like it feels like I got more grip than before.
Hey, I lost connection, but the thing's on red. That means it's still recording, isn't it?
I think so.
Should be
Stop.
I think it should be right.
If you reload your app, it might connect and say it's like already recording.
Should be right.
My name's Ben. This is my 1992 FD RX7.
Yeah, you know, shit boxes around the toll gate. Oh, fucking hell. Make that into a little clip. Poles in Australia.
Emo chick refuses to come to hills because of potholes.
Bro, for real. That's the reason.
You could title it like that. Screenshot the chat. Supra driver refuses tollgate battle because of potholes.
So fucking hot in here. defending it though. You gotta give him credit.
Yeah, he is. But he probably thinks he's doing really good. He's like, fuck, this FD can't even keep up with me. No worries, as soon as we get it straight, I'm just gonna blow around it.
To the side, man.
It's pretty much the end here anyway.
Fucking game.
We'll pull over and I'm gonna put it to the front.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna be a problem being up there at all.
Nah. Wait, we did it last time, didn't we? Put that at the front?
I put it on the side, like on this one.
Yeah.
But this thing is designed to go anywhere on the car. I've seen videos of it on people that have it on like the roof, like here.
Yeah. I could really just pull over to the side.
Nah, he's alright. Fuck you, full drive.
There you go.
We're gonna pull over up there anyway.
Nah, just chop him anyways.
It started fucking moving over. Be worse. I could be using a baseball bat and just going like that. Like at least I'm using a heat gun.
Yeah, you're somewhat doing it properly. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the FD RX7 ripping it through the hills with the new Rego Masters that we did get for it. Well, I didn't. Ben actually got it. Me, I'm just, passenger princess. Yeah, it's a lot of fun hitting the Touge. Hopefully in the future, we can cruise or go with other people. Maybe if someone's got another FD out there, or maybe, an Evo, or, GDR, definitely comment below. Please, we're trying to get more people to hit the Touge. It's just good fun overall. Remember to drive safe and drive responsible at the same time. And yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and yeah. See ya.